Today we're going to be building up the pistons, putting the piston rings in order onto the piston, gudgeon pin with the C-clips, etc. All the pistons and rings and comrades have been balanced to each other, and they're all weighed the same. It's no good just getting the pistons and the piston rings and that, throwing it all in and thinking it's all going to work. It's not going to work. You're going to end up with a load of problems. Best way to around it is to weigh your pistons, weigh your comrades, weigh all your rings, gudgeon pin and pins all together. Get the accurate readings off of them and weigh them to the same. I.e. if you weigh all four and you take the lowest spec one and bring the others down to that spec basically of numbers. Like these, they've been weighed and balanced. The crank has been weighed and balanced. It's been balanced to the flywheel and clutch system, as well as the flywheel pulley. Right, now we're going to crack on. We're going to get the piston rings in. We're then going to have to rotate them into situ how they go. So when we installing the piston, they're not all on top of each other with the same gap. What they do is they go in different orders, basically like that, and then these oil rings will go in a different situation as well. So we're going to build this piston up. I've already done one already. Just going to build the other ones up. Get them all in and basically show you the procedure. That's all the pistons all built up, all the rings are on, comrades are all on, built up. Next stage is to go back, put the pistons in to the block, measure with the bearings with plastic gauge for the comrade bearings. Make sure they're all okay, and then proceed to the next step. So right, we're going to go over and get these fitted in and continue with the build. Right people, welcome back. Right, basically got I've got the first piston in, everything went okay. Just going to put the second one in, basically just make sure all your rings are in the right position. None of them are moved. Get your ring compressor in there. There you go. So that's two done. I'm going to crack on and get the rest in. Now we're at this stage, basically all the cranks in, comrades all bolted up, big ends are bolted up, all fully rotating okay. So basically we're going to carry on with cleaning up a few other bits. We've got the pump here, what we've got, changed some bits over with the new one, what's in there, yeah. So we've just got to swap some bits over, because this pump is from an LET and not an LEH. They do fit, but you obviously got to change the springs inside for the different oil pressures. Right, so we're going to crack on and get all that built up.